everyone, so hope you have been well. So today I'll be making a Singaporean recipe which I have grew up eating it. So today I'll be making a Chinese cabbage rice. Another name for it is called go lei cai peng. So it's pork belly cabbage rice. Alright, so let's get started right now. Alright, I'll be using pork belly today, 200 grams. So I'm gonna cut it into thin slices and marinate it for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so just cut it in half first and go into thin slices. Okay, alright. So when it's done, put it back into the bowl and let's start marinating it right now. 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a pinch of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So give it a mix together. Alright, so when it's done, just leave it out in the room temperature. Alright, so over here I have approximately 9 to 10 garlic cloves. I need 2.5 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Okay, so press down the garlic lightly, cut off the head, and start peeling the garlic. So when you're done, do it the same for all the garlic and we will finally chop it. Okay, so once you have peeled all the garlic, so just chop it. Okay, do it the same for all the garlic after you have chopped one of the garlic. Okay, so when you have finished cutting up the garlic, so just finally chop it. So chop it till you get this fineness. Okay, and then next, just transfer it to a bowl. Okay, so get your pork belly. Add in 2 tablespoons of garlic and stir it together again. So when you have done mixing it, put it in the chiller and marinate for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, next, I will be soaking the Chinese mushrooms and dried shrimps in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes before I cut any of the vegetables. So okay, soak it in hot water, 6 Chinese mushrooms, and do it the same for the dried shrimps as well, 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp. Okay, next, use medium grain rice, 2 cups of white rice to 2 cups of water. Give it a wash before you add in the water. Next, I will be cutting the shallots. I'll be frying it into fried shallots before I add it back into the rice mixture when I'm cooking it. Take a shallot, so cut off its root and the stem and cut it into half. So peel it. And cut it into slices. Okay, so when you have finished slicing them, just transfer them to a bowl. Next, drain the water out of the Chinese mushrooms and the shrimps. Okay, next, cut the Chinese mushroom into thin slices. Okay, so cut it into 3 to 4 slices per mushroom. Do it the same for all the mushrooms. Okay, when you're done cutting the mushrooms, transfer it into a bowl. Okay, last, cabbage. Wash it, pat dry it, and cut it into bite-sized pieces. So cut it into half. So bite-sized pieces. And after it's done, transfer it into a bowl with a strainer on top. Okay, next, heat up your pan, set it to medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in the shallots and fry it till it's fragrant or light brownish. So add it in. So if the oil is drying up too quickly, just add in a little more oil. So right, the shallots is ready right now. So transfer it into a bowl. So get the bowl and just add everything in. Okay, so set it aside. So okay, get your pan. Set it to medium heat. Add in half tablespoon of garlic. So add the pork in. Take the mushrooms, add it in as well. Add the dry shrimps. So stir it together and stir fry it. So make sure that you are frying it at medium to high heat. Okay, so fry the pork till it's fragrant and it's cooked. Okay, so when your pork is already cooked, get your cabbage and add it in. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the rice water right now. Add it in. Lower your heat. And scoop the sides before you cover the pan with a lid. Stir fry. Okay, so after adding the rice water, cover the pot and put it to one side. Now I'll be doing the seasonings for the rice. So put it to one side. Okay, next, get a rice cooker. Add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and half teaspoon of salt. So alright, cover it and cook the rice. Okay, so right now the cabbage is already ready. Remove the lid. Alright, give it a quick stir and off the heat. So set it to one side right now. So when your rice is ready half cooked, take it. So okay, next, add in all the cabbage and the pork into the rice. So okay, get the shallots next. Reserve 1 teaspoon of the shallots for garnish later on and add the rest in. So mix it together and cover it and wait till the rice is fully cooked and set it aside. So alright, the rice has already been cooked. So okay, take the rice, open it up. Wow! So it has already been cooked. Wow, look at this goodness over here. Alright, so let's get to plating right now. Alright, so get the rice out of the rice cooker. Get a bowl. And start scooping it in. So get your parsley. So just give it a quick wash, pat dry it, and pull out the sprigs and just lay it all around. Next, so just add the shallots on top all around. Okay. So this is how the dish will look like in the end. So I'm gonna give it a quick try. Wow. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment to see more videos from me. Bye!